Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Our goal is to manage traffic on the Nautilus backup server. We have Nginx acting as a reverse proxy on port 8099 and Apache running the apt code on port 3000. To keep things secure, we need to allow public access to Nginx, but block direct access to Apache using iptables. Let's jump in. First, we need to log into our backup server. I'll use SSH to connect as the user Clint. Once inside, the first thing I want to do, check if iptables is actually running. We'll use systemctl status for this. It looks like the service is currently inactive. To make sure our rules apply and stay active, I'll use the enable --now flag. This starts the service immediately and ensures it boots up automatically on the next restart. Before adding new rules, let's see what's already there. I use the -l flag to list rules, -n to keep it in numeric format, and -- line numbers just in case I need to delete or insert something later. Now for the main event. First, we'll allow all incoming traffic to our Nginx port, which is 8099. We use -a imput to append the rule, specify the TCP protocol, and set the jump target to accept. Next, we need to block incoming connections to the Apache port 3000. This ensures users go through our Nginx proxy rather than hitting the backend directly. We'll change the target to drop. Let's double-check our work. Running the list command again, we can see our new rules sitting at the bottom of the input chain. The most important step for any sysadmin is making these changes permanent. If the server reboots now, these rules would disappear. On this system, we use the service iptables save command to write these to the configuration file. And that's it. We've successfully secured our application ports and ensured that configuration survives a reboot. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more KodeKloud Linux challenges. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.